In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install LibreOffice on Windows 11. LibreOffice is a free open source office suite that includes tools for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Let's walk through a clean, safe installation from start to finish. First, open your web browser and search for LibreOffice Download. From the results, click the official LibreOffice website at LibreOffice.org. It's important to download from the official site to make sure you get the authentic installer without any bundled extras. On the website, look for the download section. You'll typically see options for different operating systems. Since we're on Windows 11, choose the Windows option. Then click the download button to begin. Your browser will start downloading the installer file, and you should see it appear near the bottom of the window or in your browser's downloads list. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Once the download completes, open your downloads folder. You can do this from File Explorer or directly from your browser's downloads panel. Look for a file named something like LibreOffice/x win x64.msi. The numbers may be different based on the version you're getting. Double-click the file to launch the installer. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, confirm to proceed, as that's a standard security check for installers. The setup wizard will open. Click Next to move forward. When you reach the setup type screen, you'll see two choices. Typical is the recommended option and installs the standard components most people need. Custom is intended for advanced users who want to fine-tune which modules or languages are installed and where to put the program files. If you're unsure, choose Typical. After selecting your setup type, click Install. The installer will copy files and configure LibreOffice. This can take a few minutes, and it's best not to close the window or run other installers at the same time. When it's done, click Finish to complete the process. To launch LibreOffice, open the Start menu, type LibreOffice, and select the app from the results. You'll land on the LibreOffice Start Center, where you can open or create files. You'll see shortcuts to Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheets, and Impress for presentations. If you plan to use